Hi guys, this is a supplemental video that goes with Everyday Math Lesson 610. So in 610, we're working on technically it's a 2-day lesson, but it's talking about a fundraiser that people do, and it's multiplying with decimals and doing some things with that. So that is the main lesson. This is a supplemental part. This one, we are going to see if you can use what we learned in 6.8 and 9 to find an answer quickly. Now, I want you to really pay attention to the directions. So the directions say, for each set of problems, circle the number sentence that is correct. Do not calculate the answer. Did I say to do the math? No. Do not calculate the answer. And then you need to explain which product was correct without finding the correct answer. Okay, so you have to think through these problems and use your estimation to help you, and then explain your thinking. Okay, so here we go. Let's figure this out. So if I take my first question, 0.5, I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you. 0.5 times 410. Which answer do you think is correct? Well, 410 times 2 would equal about 800, not times 0.05. 410 would have to be multiplied by like 5 times to get 2,000. But I'm multiplying by a number smaller than 1. So just like we did with fractions, if I multiply by a number smaller than 1, my answer is going to get smaller, right? So that's going to be my explanation. When you multiply by a number smaller than 1, your answer is going to be smaller. Do you agree that 0.5 is less than 1? 0 whole numbers. Absolutely. Absolutely. All right. Let's see if we can figure out number 2. What do you think? All right. You should have chosen this one. When you multiply by 1, the answer stays the same. This is called an identity property. Identity. In other words, when you multiply by that 1, it stays itself. It doesn't change. Okay. All right. Based what we did up here, I want you to try to figure out the wording and the explanation for this one. So first, I want you to try to multiply or think what you would need to do for 2.5 times 410. Would it be about 750, about 330, or about 1,000? What do you think? All right, if I were going to do this problem, I would first look at this one. I know that that can't be the answer because this number is more than 1. So my answer should be more. I also see that this answer is more than 2. So my answer should be more than 2. My answer, my first number, 2.5, is really close to 3. So if I were to multiply 3 times 400 and estimate, my answer is going to be close to 1,200, right? So I'm going to use that. If I estimate 3 times 450 or 400, my answer will be close to 1,200. It should also be more than 800. Agreed? Way more than 800. Awesome. So that is the wording I would use. So this is the important thing. When multiplying with decimals, you can use things like estimation and just looking and thinking about the numbers themselves, and you could probably find a way to solve the problem, right? Like if I look at this first one right here and I take 0.5 and I say my answer is 2,000, that doesn't make sense. It's like having $400 and I cut it in half. I spend half of it. And you tell me I have 2,000 left. No. Doesn't work that way. That's how estimates can help you determine if you have the right answer. All right, have a great day, guys. I hope that this helped you a little bit with those estimates and multiplying with decimals. Have a great day.